Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last night I was chatting to an old mate of mine who's recently left the school he used to work for and decided to become self-employed. He's set up on his own. I was asking him how it's going, what he's enjoying about it, what he misses about working in a bigger school. And he told me that one of the problems he found when he was working in a school was that there was a kind of pecking order where he was working, and that this could be really harsh. You often talk about pecking orders existing in companies, in teams, or in families. And basically, they're a kind of informal system where some people or groups know that they're more important or less important than other people in the team or group or family. I guess the idea comes from birds that peck each other. So you have a big bird and it pecks the little bird to put the little bird in its place. So maybe if you start working in a new school or a new office, you might quickly realise that there's a clearly established pecking order there. Sometimes people start out quite low down in the pecking order. Maybe you start as a secretary, for example, but gradually you rise in the pecking order. You climb the pecking order and get nearer the top. In every family, I guess, there's usually some kind of natural hierarchy, some kind of pecking order, and that can be very hard to change. And usually, the bigger the family, the more likely there is to be a clearly established pecking order. And often, this can be quite tough for the younger kids who maybe feel they get picked on unfairly a little bit. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use pecking order.